So dividing polynomial. Let us discuss about general divisions. So let us consider two numbers 25 comma 3. Now divide 25 by 3. We will get quotient is 8 and the remainder is 1. So 25 we can write it as 3 into 8 plus 1. So 25 is equal to 3 into 8 plus 1. 25 is, we can call it as dividend. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now I am taking the another two and one more example for this one. I am taking the two numbers, that is 20 comma 5. 20 we can write it as 5 into 4. It is we can take it plus 0. In this 20 is a dividend, divisor is 5, 4 is a quotient and the remainder is 0. It is a 0, remainder is 0, then 5 is called the factor of 20. 5 is the factor of 20, or we can say that 20 is multiple of 5. Now I am taking the dividing the polynomial by monomial. Here for example, divide x cube plus 3x square plus 3x by monomial x. So here x cube plus 3x square plus 3x divided by x, that is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x by x. So divide by x means we can take each of them. So x cube by x plus 3x square by x plus 3x by x. Here x will be cancelled. X cube by x we can write it as x square. So that is nothing but x cube by x, the power 1. We can use the formula a to the power of m by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m minus n. That is x cube by x to the power of 1 means x to the power of 3 minus 1, that is nothing but x square. We can decrease by 1, that is plus 3 x square by x means decrease 1 means x to the power of 1 plus 3. So this is nothing but x cube plus 3x square plus 3x by x is equal to x square plus 3x plus 3. So the division of the polynomial by monomial. Now divide the polynomial by binomial. Now divide the polynomial 3x square plus x minus 1 by binomial x plus 1. So for this one we have to let p of x is equal to 3x square plus x minus 1 and q of x is equal to x plus 1. Now divide p of x by q of x. For this one we have to take here 3x square plus x minus 1. Here it is a divisor x plus 1. It is called dividend. It is a coefficient we are writing here. The first step 1, we have to take here 3x square divide by x, whatever we will get right in the quotient. So 3x square by x, 3x square by x become, it is a 3x. Here we write the 3x and 3x is multiplied with x plus 1. So the step 2 multiply 3x with x plus 1. We will get 3x into x plus 1, that is equal to 3x into x, 3x into x plus 3x into 1, 3x into 1. We will get 3x square plus 3x. Now this 3x square plus 1 is subtracted from 3x square plus 3x is subtracted from 3x square plus x. Here we are writing 3x square plus 3x. Subtracting means the signs will be changed. These both will be cancelled. Here we will get minus 2x minus 1. So now what is the step? By subtracting 3x square plus x by 3x square plus 3x. By subtracting 3x square plus 3x by 3x square plus x. So we get minus 2x. Again step 3. Step 3 means here again we have to divide minus 2x by x. Minus 2x by x, that is equal to minus 2. So it is, we can write in the quotient. So we will get here minus 2. Again we have to multiply x plus 2 into minus 2. So we will get x plus 1 into minus 2. We will get minus 2 into x, minus 2x, minus 2 into 1 means minus 2. Now we have to subtracting this by minus 2x minus 2. So here we have to write minus 2x minus 2. So the subtraction means the signs will change. Plus plus, this both will be cancelled. We will get plus 2 minus 1 become 1. By subtracting minus 2x minus 2 from minus 2x minus 1. Here also from. We get 1. So from this it is a x plus 1 is a divisor. Here this is a dividend, it is a quotient, and 1 is a remainder. So from this we can write it as dividend is equal to 3x square plus x minus 1. Divisor is equal to x plus 1, and quotient is 3x minus 2, and remainder is 1. So we can write it as dividend is equal to dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder, that is equal to, so 3x square plus x minus 1 is equal to, divisor is x plus 1 and the remainder is 3x minus 2 and the remainder is 1. So dividend is equal to divisor into coefficient plus remainder. So what is the process? Divide the 3x square plus x minus 1 by x plus 1. First of all, what is the first step? Here 3x square should be divided by x. We will get 3x square by x become a 3x. 3x is the first term in the coefficient, that is a 3x. So these 3x is multiplied with x plus 1. 3x is multiplied with x plus 1. 3x into x plus 1. We will get 3x square plus 3x. This one we have to write here, and we have to take the signs will be changed. So here we will get minus 2x. So subtracting 3x square plus 3x from 3x square plus x, we will get minus 2x. We have to take the minus 1. Again we have to take the minus 2x. Minus 2x divided by x, we will get minus 2x by x, it become a minus 2. This minus 2 is the, it become a second term of the quotient. It is a second term of the quotient. Again we have to multiply, minus 2 is multiply with x plus 1, we will get minus 2x minus 2, and if we subtract we will get the 1. So it is known as the divisor, it is a quotient, it is a dividend, we are getting the remainder. So we have the formula, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Here it is, a dividend is 3x squared plus x minus 1, divisor is x plus 1, quotient is 3x minus 2, and the remainder is 1. That all. In previous example, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So here 3x square plus x minus 1 is equal to x plus 1 into 3x minus 2 plus 1. So remainder is 1. Now I am taking the 0 of the x plus 1. The 0 of the x plus 1 is minus 1. Here let p of x is equal to 3x square plus x minus 1. So now I am substituting minus 1 in p of x. Replace x by minus 1. We are getting minus p of minus 1 is equal to 3 into minus 1 whole square plus minus 1 minus 1. So that is 3 into 1 minus 1 whole square means 1 minus 1 minus 1, that is equal to 3. 3 into 1 means 3, minus 1 become minus 2, that is equal to 1. P of minus 1 is equal to 1, and also remainder is 1. The remainder is obtained by dividing 3x square plus x minus 1 dividing with the x plus 1 is same as the p of minus 1, where minus 1 is the 0 of the polynomial. So the remainder obtained on dividing p of x. What is the p of x? 3x square plus x minus 1 on p of x is equal to 3x square plus x minus 1 by the remainder obtained on dividing p of x 3x square plus x minus 1 by x plus 1 is same as p of minus 1, where minus 1 is 0 of the polynomial x plus 1, that is x is equal to minus 1. Next example, divide the polynomial 3x to the power of 4 minus 3x cube minus 2x to the power of 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x minus 1 by x minus 1, and verify remainder with 0 of the divisor. So first of all, divide the polynomial by x minus 1. This is x minus 1 is a divisor, this is a dividend. Let f of x is equal to 2x to the power of 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x minus 1. So now dividing this, 2x to the power of 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x minus 1. Coefficient we have to write here, x minus, divisor is x minus 1. Coefficient we have to write here. First of all, we have to take here 2x to the power of 4 by x. We will get 2x cube. So 2x cube is the first term of the quotient. So here we will get 2x cube, and 2x cube multiply with x minus 1, that is we have to write here 2x cube into x, we will get 2 into 1, 2x cube into x to the power of 4, minus into plus, minus 1 into 2x cube, 2x cube, we have to subtract, so the symbols will change, plus become minus, minus become plus, these both will be cancelled, minus 4x cube plus 2x cube, so 4 minus 2 means 2x cube, the big symbol is minus 1, minus, so keep the minus, we have to shift the minus 3x, again we have to take 2x cube divided with the x, minus 2x cube divided with x, we will get minus 2x square, so again we have to multiply minus 2x square with x, plus into minus, minus 1 into 2 x into x square, we will get x cube, again minus into minus, plus 1 into 2x square means 2x square, here we have to change the sign, minus become plus and plus become minus, these both will be cancelled, here minus, here these two terms are different terms, so we have to keep same as it is, minus 2x square minus 3x, again here minus 2x square divide with x, here minus 2x square divide with x, we will get minus 2x, minus 2x, so plus into minus, minus x into 2x, we will get 2x square, minus into minus become plus, 1 into 2x, we will get 2x, here we have to change the signs, plus minus, these both will be cancelled, minus 3x minus 2x, we will get minus 5x, again we have to keep the minus 1, so here again we have to divide minus 5x by x, we will get minus 5, so x into minus 5, minus 5x, minus into minus, plus 1 into 5, 5, so here change the sign, minus become plus, plus become minus, these both will be cancelled, minus 1 minus 5, we will get minus 6, so minus 6 is a remainder, this 2x cube minus 2x square minus 2x minus 1 is the quotient, x minus 1 is the divisor, this one is the dividend, so we can write it as dividend. We know dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder, so dividend is 2x to the power of 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x minus 1 is equal to divisor is x minus 1 into quotient means 2x cube minus 2x square minus 2x minus 5 plus remainder is minus 6. So now verify the remainder with the 0 of the divisor. So for this one, what is the divisor? 0 of the divisor. The 0 of the divisor, that is x minus 1 is equal to 0 means x is equal to 1. We this one substitute in the f of x. So replace x by 1 in equation in f of x. So we will get f of 1 is equal to we will get 2 into 1 to the power of 4 minus 4 into 1 cube minus 3 into 1 minus 1. We will get 2 into 1 to the power of 4 means 1 minus 4 1 to the power of 3 means 1 minus 3 minus 1, that is equal to 2 minus 4 minus 3 minus 1. So minus 4 minus 3 minus 7 minus 1 minus 8 plus 2 means minus 6. Here f of 1 is equal to minus 6 and the remainder is also minus 6. So the remainder is equal to f of 1. So therefore remainder is equal to f of 1. We observed in this problem the polynomial is divided by x minus 1, then the remainder become the f of 1. 1 is the 0 of the linear polynomial x minus 1. So here at the place of 1 we replace it by a. This become x minus a. It is a linear polynomial. Now f of x we are taking as a f of p of x. Now p of x is divided by x minus a, then the remainder become f of a where a is the 0 of the polynomial x minus a. This is known as the remainder theorem. So what is the remainder theorem is p of x is a polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1 and x minus a is a linear polynomial, then the remainder is become f of p of a. So remainder theorem. What is the remainder theorem? P of x is any polynomial of degree greater than 1 and a is any real number. X minus a is a linear polynomial, then the remainder is p of a. So that is let p of x is a polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1 and a is any real number, x minus a is a linear polynomial, then the remainder obtained by p of x divided by x minus a is p of a. This is only known as the remainder theorem. Then divide p of x by x minus a, the remainder is p of a. For example 3 divide 3x square plus 2x plus 5 by x minus 1. The remainder is, now we have to find the remainder. So the remainder, let p of x is equal to 3x square plus 2x plus 5. So now remainder, the 0 of the polynomial x minus 1 is 1. The remainder is equal to p of 1, that is equal to 3 into 1 square plus 2 into 1 plus 5. So 3 into 1 plus 2 into 1 plus 5. So 3 plus 2 plus 5, that is equal to 10. So from this we can say that p of x is a polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1. A is a real number, x minus a is a linear polynomial, then divide p of x by x minus a, then the remainder is p of a.